late 2016, I started getting under the bonnet of Ether, right? So I'll tell you a little story about this. Let's just hide pitching for the moment. Where is it? 2016. Whoa. 2016, 2015. Here we go. So I had my epiphany of crypto around summer 2016. So for those of you who don't really know me or knew my stance on crypto, I was crypto's biggest hater from about 2012 to sort of 2016. In summer of 2016, I started to have a little look at crypto again, because in summer 2016, across the board, everything just started going up. Because when you look at it, basically, crypto basically did nothing for a long freaking time, really. And then all of a sudden, Bitcoin and others started moving up pretty horrendously. So this obviously got my attention, and I started looking at it, and I was like, I still didn't understand it. And then I started looking at ETH and looking at the tech behind it, and I thought, holy shit, ETH looks amazing. You know, what is this thing about smart contracts? We take that for granted these days, but smart contracts was a pretty big thing back in the day, because this was a brand new innovative tech. And I was like, wow, this is amazing. And so I started getting very bullish on ETH. And I remember, where was it? Yeah, so I think it must have been somewhere around here. I was like, wow, ETH is awesome. Just like I am with Casper. But then the price started to subside. And remember, this is the daily chart. So we've got, you know, price effectively doing nothing and going down from sort of October down to December. That's October, November, December. So base part 3 months worth of sliding. And again, even more sliding. And you then have several months of, wait a minute, with all of this bullishness, why is this not going to the moon? And then obviously we all know what happened. It just went to the moon, and that's when everything went crazy. Now, if I don't know if I can find it here, sorry, I'm just trying to find something. So Siam Kid ETH, where is it? Jesus, what is this? How is that allowed on YouTube? No, I'm never going to find it. This will take way too long. I think it was back... Basically, I had a video in 2016, 2017 saying I'm trying to buy ETH when it was $9. And the annoying thing is I used Kraken as my on-ramp. And Kraken held my money for a bunch of months. Or a bunch of weeks, actually. So by the time they let go of my money, so I sent a big chunk of money to Kraken when it was $9. It was $40 by the time Kraken let me have access to the money. I was fuming and furious. So yeah, and now we know what's going on with so